Video recording now, so don't say any bad words. Don't say any bad words. I'm video recording. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Tell him it's a marketing video for his custom combining service. Oh, very lucky with the weather again. Because it was raining in Glencoe this morning, Eric Dito told me. And it didn't rain here. Got some organic spring wheat. Mom's getting nervous about the hopper. He heard ya. He's gonna empty it. I think that hopper holds a little over 400 bushels. On the way out here, those two guys had a drone. Did you see that? They were going to spray, and then they had a drone. They're going to